Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have my Boxycharm Luxe box to show you guys. I'm super excited, and a little spoiler, I am very pleased with my box. So this is the Luxe box for June 2022, and let's get into this. This first product, which I believe I chose this, is the Beauty Bakery Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette, and this retails for $38. Like, look at this packaging. How cute is this? They really, paid attention to the detail. And I believe I chose this because I remember Emily Noel talking about their blush palette, how much she liked it, but I don't think this is the same blush palette Emily Noel talks about. But yeah, this is like a blush lighter, so it's like more like a highlight formula. The colors are gorgeous, and I am wearing it right now, but it's like I like glowy blushes, but this is like a highlighter. I'll show you guys some swatches. Everywhere I swatch is a bad spot, but here they are right here. They're gorgeous colors. I think they're really pretty, but they're like a highlighter. They're too much for a blush for me. Like, it looks pretty. It did sheer out nice, and I did use it on my eyes too, and it looks really pretty in my eyes, but I am a little bummed about that. But I do think it's such beautiful packaging. I just wish they were like the regular blush formula. But anyways, let's move on. The next product is this right here. It is the Dew of Gods Fuju, I think, collagen whipped vitamin mask, which retails for $42. And I did try this real quick earlier, and I liked it. I like the way it made my skin feel. Beautiful packaging. I really like it. It feels heavy. Yeah, no complaints there. I guess this mask has vitamin C in it, and it's just and hyaluronic acid, and it's just to help make your skin look youthful, radiant, glow. So, and here they do have one of these little things, and here's the mask. It feels like moussey, almost similar to a clay mask, but a little different. And it is slightly fragranced, but I enjoyed it. I thought it was nice. I have a question. How often do you guys actually use masks? Because I'm kind of terrible about face masks. I don't do it very often, but this was a nice one. I just feel like I don't have time to do face masks. I'm always rushing, and I really need to do my hair, and it's such a process that I haven't done it yet. The third product is the NARS Iconic lipstick, and this retails for $26, and I got mine in the shade Pour something. I don't know. But it is like a cool tone pinky nude I'm wearing on my lips right now. It feels like a soft matte, and sometimes like these bullet lipsticks will be too dry on my lips, but it seemed to go on just fine. I already damaged the tip. I didn't roll it down all the way when I put the cap on. But yeah, I like this. I would actually wear this color, even use like a lip liner if I wanted to warm it up a little bit, but I think it's pretty. Like, how often do we get lipsticks in Boxycharms that we would actually wear the color? The fourth product is the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. This retails for $49. And just in time, I just ran out of my face wash. This is really nice. This is a skin clearing facial wash to help with blemishes, and I do have like clogged pores and stuff, so this is nice for me. I used it, my face felt really clean, but it didn't feel tight or dry. But this is heavily fragranced, very, very fragranced. It's a pleasant scent. It's like perfume, it smells like, but just, keep that in mind. but I did very much enjoy it. I feel like I could smell it just by holding the bottle. It's so fragranced. Okay, the fifth product is from Keys Soul Care. Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with Niacinamide. This retails for $26. So kind of cool. This is a relatively new brand, Alicia Keys skincare line. And this one is in Golden Aurora. Really nice packaging, you know. And it says you could use this as like a primer or like a skincare. So I put it on, it felt good, it felt hydrating. It has more of like a lotion feel, but I did notice, it says Golden Glow. I didn't really notice like any tint to it, but what I did notice was little glitter shimmer particles all over my face. Once I put makeup on top of it, I didn't really notice it anymore, but you know, keep that in mind. If you want to wear this without makeup, you're gonna see all those little specks of glitter, which is kind of a bummer, you know. But besides that, it seems like a nice product. The sixth product, this is really cool. This is from Patrick Ta Beauty. This is the Major Glow Up Lip Shine, and this retails for $22. This is a new brand to Boxy, and I got mine in the shade She's Expensive. Look how pretty. And it kind of smells like chocolate mint. Yeah, like chocolate mint ice cream. So I think it's super pretty. I'm not going to use this. I'm actually going to give this to my daughter. I have so many lip glosses, like, so she'll be happy to get this. But how cool. I really hope we see more Patrick Ta products in future Boxycharms, because yeah, I mean, they sell this in Sephora, so it's super exciting. Okay, so the seventh item in my box is the Dae, I believe, D-A-E Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. This retails for $26, and this is also a new brand to Boxycharm. And yeah, I love getting hair care items in Boxycharm, so I don't have to buy any. But this is, it's supposed to calm, frizz, soften, and hydrate, and protects hair from breakage. It also says it helps as a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. So yeah, I love it. It felt like I used it real quick. Like I sprayed it in my hair and just brushed it out, and it made it easier to brush my hair. This is something I would more likely use when my hair is like wet. Yeah, it says lightly mist on damp hair, but I'm happy to get this. I'll definitely use it. And it's like more of a creamy spray. So yeah, excited for that. And now for the last product, the eighth product in the box. This is from Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. And this retails for $65. So this is a little pricier. And it's supposed to be like a chemical exfoliant, and it has AHAs in here, and I could use exfoliation, you know, with my clogged pores and all that. And I kind of like the packaging. It's very simple, very sleek, and I guess like they have different, like a whole line of skincare. They give you this little packet, and it tells you like all the products that they have, and they all have really simple packaging with different colored dots. I thought it was nice, and I did use this. I did feel like a slight tingling, so it made it feel like it was actually working. So yeah, overall, I think this is a great Boxy Luxe. There was quite a bit of skincare, but they're all products that I'll use that, I don't know, I think they're all great quality products. And we do have a lot of products from like well-known companies like Patrick Ta, NARS, Beauty Bakery, Elemis, and even the Keys, because I feel like I heard a lot of people talk about this brand because it's, you know, relatively new. But the overall, the total value of my box is $294, and I believe I paid like $60 for the box. I believe the Luxe is now $59.99. But yeah, what do you guys think of Boxyluxe this month? I personally think it's awesome, and I did watch somebody else's video and they seemed very happy with their box as well. And yeah, I don't know, I think Boxycharm has been killing it lately, and I can't wait to get my premium box to see what I got in there. And if you have Boxycharm, don't forget, Monday, this coming up Monday, I'll have to look up the actual, I think it's the 13th, is Boxycharm choice. So if you get there early, you get the good, you know, the best choices. But anyways, guys, as soon as I get my Boxycharm premium, I'll definitely share with you guys. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this month's box, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye.